guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and also if you are new to my channel, hi, myself Arpita Burad. I am a fashion and a beauty influencer, and also in today's video I am going to do a full face of makeup using one particular brand, which is My Glam. The title says a lot many things, so I don't have to speak a lot more about it. So yes, I'm going to review each and every product, and I'm going to tell you like if these products are worth buying or not, and there are some discounts running on these products, so I'll mention each and everything in the description. So make sure you are connected with me throughout this video, and I'll be creating this look. Like, this look is actually unexpected look. I am using few products for the very first time, and I am quite shocked with the way it turned out. So make sure you are connected with me throughout this video. So without wasting a moment, let's quickly hop into the video. Alright, so first thing first, I am going to keep this video as raw as I can, because this is my very first video where I'm sitting in front of the camera and reviewing each and every product, and of course talking about the product and everything. Alright, so before starting applying any makeup product, I would recommend you all to prep your skin, because that would be the first most important part to go for. Otherwise you will see such kind of a breakouts. Like, I'm having a lot now because of continuously shooting. Like, every day I am shooting, and every day I'm applying some amount of makeup, and just because of that, like, I'm having a hell lot of breakouts. But anyways, I used to prep my skin before applying makeup, or even after removing the makeup. I used to pamper my skin a little, so that somewhere breakouts don't come and show a lot on my face. So yes, that's how my face looks like. Let's quickly start creating a look with the products which are there in front of me. And as I already told you, these are the products from My Glam, and I will be sharing my impression, my review, and a lot many things regarding these products, like if you guys if these products are worth buying or not. So yes, let's quickly start picking up the product. Alright, so for the first, I'm going to use this product, which is Glow Brightening Essence. This is a love for me. I am using this product from long now, and I guess it's almost empty. I believe I can't see the quantity over here, but yes, it's almost empty. So in that case, I'm having this miniature, like this is actually a travel friendly packet. So I'll be using this. I'll start with my brows first, and then my eyes, and then I'm going to do a full face, and meanwhile I'll update you with the product and if it's worth buying or not, or how I felt about that particular product. Starting with this is My Glam Brows Definer. This is actually a duo. It comes in two different sections. This is a liner, and the another one is a brow definer. And guys, trust me, this is actually worth buying. Please go if you're not having this. I am using this product from last, I guess, 6 to 7 months. Like, when I started working with My Glam, this is the very first product which I got, and still I am using it. So you can see it's been quite a long now, as I have already recommended a lot of my friends, family to go with this particular product, because this is something wow. You can enhance your eyebrows, or you can even enhance your complete eye by particular this product. So this is actually in a stick form. So for first, I'll be just brushing up my brows so that every hair comes in the same direction. And then I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take my small angular brush, and I'm going to do like this, so that some amount of powder comes on this brush, and I'll apply on my eyebrows. Like, I'll be giving a quick shape. Usually I take a lot of time while doing my brows, because I want them to be in a perfect shape, but I am not going to spend a lot of time in front of the camera doing my brows, as this video is going to be a longer one, trust me. So yes, first you have to just outline it, because this is, as it's an angular brush, so just outline it in a flow and then drag it down. After outlining your eyebrows, just fill your brows. Like, I guess the powder and the complete product will come together, and that will look more appropriate rather than looking in hodgepodge sort of. So yes, that's how it works for me. If you feel like it's less, then you can just take the little more of product, and you can apply wherever you feel like an empty space. And if you feel like it's a lot, like a lot of product is there on your brow, so that you can again take a spoolie, and you can just again comb your brow so that everything comes together and extras go off with this spoolie. Alright, so I'm done with my brow. I'll be using My Glam Lip Volumizer, and this is something which actually scared me for first. Like, when I gave a first try to this particular lip gloss, I felt like something is pinching, or like something is like injected on my lips or something like that, and I was feeling like super spicy or like something sort of like that. So that was something a disaster feeling, trust me. I quickly removed that. But one thing which I loved about this particular product is that when I applied this, my lips actually turned out in a great pinkish way, which I loved it. I totally loved it. So I guess if you are going to use this on a regular basis, like whenever you are heading out to your house, you can just apply this and you can slay the day. You don't have to carry a lipstick like pink, red. You don't have to carry any particular lipstick. This is more than sufficient if you want to go for a natural look. So I'll be using this and then I'll start with my eye makeup. So you just have to pump it, and the lip gloss will come in this brush, and yes, you have to just apply on it. Like, make sure you're not using too much of product. And also this is actually a mantra, like whenever you are doing a makeup, make sure you're not using so much of product altogether. Build the product from layer to layer, like thoda leke just build the coverage, or maybe you can build the coverage of any particular product like blush, highlighter, foundation, concealer, whatsoever. So make sure you are taking a tiny amount of the product and then you are building up in a more way. So this particular injecting thing is going to, you know, plump up your lips in a good way, and that's how it works. And this is going to leave your lips in a natural look. If you are from my undertone or my skin tone, you guys can pick this up. If you are having a dark lips like me, so you can definitely pick this up and you can slay the day completely. Like, you just have to use it, and yeah, you see the natural lips and the glow, and your lips are a little plumpy rather than your original ones. So yeah, this is something which I would say that yes, you can go for. And now I'm going to start with my eye makeup, and for that I'm having 3 different palettes. But I have actually, my audience have picked 2 different palettes. My Instagram audience have picked 2 different palettes, and I'm going to stick with those 2 different palettes. But I don't know what look I can create from these 2 palettes. That's what the palette looks, and these are the shades, you guys. So these are the more of nude pinkish shades, and there are actually more of a pressed glitter, if you can see, and this is more of a chunky glitter. So this is the first palette, this is the second palette, and this is actually one of my favorite palette from My Glam collection. This is actually from Popexo collection, and I'm having one more palette like this, and that is more of a nude palette, but my Instagram audience have selected this, and that's how these shades look. So I actually don't know like what look am I supposed to go with from these 2 palettes. Maybe I can use these 2 palettes individually and then I can come up with the look. But I guess for now, for today, I'm going to use this palette. This is Hot Mess. And maybe if you know from Instagram, I'm a person who go with the bold colors. I love to play with colors rather than going with nude. So yes, I'll be using this palette today from Popexo collection from My Glam. And I'll be creating something. I really don't know what look I have to go for. So let's see how it turns out. Finger crossed. I don't want to spoil everything, but I hope this look turns out in a good way, because this is not decided. The look is yet not decided, but I know I'm going to use this palette because I was having a crush on this palette from the day first when I received this palette, and I was like, bro, come on, like this is the super cute palette I have now. Alright, so I'll be starting my eye makeup look, and before that I'll be doing my eye base, and for that I'll be using this Makeover FF foundation. This is actually a color corrector foundation and a concealer, and also I'm not having a concealer in this particular collection, so I'll be using this palette, and I'll be creating a base by using this one. So this is going to work as a concealer for me. Alright, so I've taken a flat brush. I'm going to dip it in this one. First I'm going to outline my brow so that I can create a proper shape of my eyebrows. And then you just have to drag down. Oh, my eyebrows also, it's just that I'm giving a shape, that's it, nothing new. And if you can see now, my shape is proper and clean. The most important thing, like why I did it, so that I can give a clean surface, clean look to my eyebrows. Like I'll be finishing up with this eye look first, and then I'll jump to the next one. So yes, that's it. You just have to apply the product and just take a beauty blender. Make sure you damp it in a good way, like it have to be a little wet, and then you just have to dab it a little. Don't just drag it, just dab it. Alright, so now I'll be using a translucent powder so that I can fix my eyelid, like complete eye. I don't want to see any crack. So for now, this is the product. This is from MyGlam. It's Glow to Glamour. So that's how this product looks. And it comes in two different jars. The first one is a shimmer one and the second one is a translucent powder. I'll be using a brush to apply the powder all over my eyelid. I guess yeah, that's it. So all you have to do is just dab, that's it. I'll just do this eyes also and I'll be back. Right, so I've just done my eyes off camera so that I can see if these palettes are really good or not, but the result is right in front of you guys. I genuinely love this palette. This is quite pigmented and I loved how it built the coverage from lighter to darker, and a little disappointed because there are still fallouts on my under eyes, but that's okay. I'll clean it because there are most of the palettes with these fallouts. If their pigments are good, you will definitely see a fallout. So yes, that is all here and I'll clean that up. But alright, so I'll quickly do my second eyes in front of the camera with you all so that you'll get to know how exactly I give this complete finish to my eyes. This eyes is yet not finished, so make sure you are connected with me throughout this video. Alright, so I have just taken a flat brush and I'll be taking pink shade right from this palette and I'll put like this, because for first I don't want to see any fallout because I want this product to stick on my eyes, and that's the one reason I'm using a flat brush and I'm placing this eyeshadow like this so that I can cover maximum area in a less product. So that's the reason I'm using the flat brush and I'm spreading it on my eyelid. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend these edges. Like I'm going to keep this area as it is. I'm going to blend these edges so that it comes a finished look rather than this like unfinished look with these lines and everything. And if I felt like there is a lot of product lying over here or even in the middle there is a lot of product I see, so I'll just do like this and I'll spread it evenly on my lid. Now you can see in just one single take I have completed my eyes, and that's something which I like. I'm not a person who used to get a lot of product in first and I used to waste it. No, I'm not a person like this. I used to go with the little amount of product first. I used to build the coverage or like from lighter to darker rather than going with a lot of product. And now you can see these eyes are almost completed. I have to just blend it nicely. If you feel like there are still edges which are visible, then you can just blend it. That's it. Now we are going to jump with yellow color. I hope this turns out in a good way. So this is the yellow color which I'm going to use. But before that, what I'm thinking is I'm going to take concealer now because I'm going to create a liner on this pink color. So for that I need a sticky base. Even if I'm applying with a brush, I am trying to blend it right when I'm applying concealer because I don't want this to look tacky. Alright, now I'm going to take a flat brush, like a little flat brush, because I have to take the yellow eyeshadow and I have to press it over this liner on the concealer itself so that it stays and it looks beautiful, because yellow is something which looks a little lighter than these other shades. So I have to make sure that yellow pops out of this pink. And now I'm going to put it right over my concealer. So yes, I need a little more so that I can build the coverage. As I'm testing these products with you all, I'm quite satisfied with this product, which is Hot Mess eyeshadow palette. And if you guys are looking for such pop colors, then you can definitely go for this palette. Or maybe if you are a person who loves to stick with nude shade, then I guess you are perfectly okay with this product, this eyeshadow palette. This is actually Sand Nude. These are matte shades and these are the replicas of these shades, but these are in pressed glitter. Alright, so before putting concealer, foundation, anything, I need to color correct my scars which are way too visible. So I'll be using this palette again. I'll be using these shades and I'm putting it wherever I feel like there are scars and I need to hide them. Look at this, guys. This is super pigmented. Like I have taken just for once and I have applied all over my face, like wherever I feel like there are scars. And Look, it's still in my brush. I can still apply it wherever I want to. So yeah, it's way too good. Like, and the best part about this is actually this palette is that you can carry anywhere you want to. You don't have to carry like foundation separately, color corrector separately, or a concealer separately. You just have to carry this particular palette and you're good with it. Like, you just have to blend it a little so that there is no patches on your face. Don't drag it, just blend it. Just blend it. And it's done. And once you are done applying a color corrector, then we are going to jump to the foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to stick with this palette only, and I have used concealer and color corrector. Now I'm going to use a foundation. So for that, again, I'm going to take a flat brush. So I'll be collecting the product right on my brush, and then I'm going to spread it a little amount on my face, like step by step. This palette is not giving you a full coverage. Okay, so I have just spread it all over my face, and I don't know how it is going to look, but let's see, because it's my first time I'm using this palette, like complete this palette, so no hate comments please. This is taking a little mehnat, which I am not liking, but then it's okay. Like, let's see. I guess that's it, and I don't know how this is looking on camera, but I'm not that satisfied, not even that happy. So for next, I'm going to take this stick foundation in shade Almond, and I'm going to apply it wherever I feel like there are visibility of my acne. There is no pain, I swear there is no pain with this stick. So yeah, that's it. The foundation thing is done. Now I'm going to start off with concealer, and I'm going to use that particular palette. If I felt like the concealer is not okay, or I have to skip the concealer part, then again I'm going to use this particular stick, because this is love. Like, if I say this is love, then guys, go and purchase it, because I'm using it from a long now, so I'm quite happy with this. I'm going to start off with taking a concealer, okay, and then I'm going to use it on my under eyes. I hope it works. Like, I don't know, but I hope it works. Okay, so I am going to blend this first before jumping to my another eyes, and I don't want to risk it off. Ah, that's it. Wow. Now I'm going to fix this under eye with powder quickly, because I don't want any crease to come like while doing my other eye. And yeah, we are done with another eye too, and now I'll quickly fix it by fixing powder. I'm taking again a brush, putting my brush in the loose powder and pressing it on my under eyes and blending it meanwhile. So once I'm done applying contour, I'm going to blend it. And now I'm going to fix complete face with the powder. Okay, so I'm taking a brush, like this is actually a powder brush. Okay, so I just forgot to blend my forehead line, but fine. If you still feel like like the contour is like not visible anymore, then there is again a palette which is from Hope EXO collection. This palette is Hot Damn, and this is actually a face and eye kit palette. I'll quickly show you how exactly this looks from inside. That's how it looks. So this is actually a pressed powder in a translucent form, and these are the shades which with which you can create your eye look, or maybe you can use as a contour. So I feel like my contour lines are almost gone. Little bit of it, because I feel like this color is way too darker than what contour color has to be. And yes, I'm just blending it. Just to pull off this look, I'm giving a final dimensions to my face so that it looks evenly. like not exactly a flat face. Alright, coming to my one of the favorite part, which is a blush. So I'm having this blush from Pose collection from MyGlam. Like without blush I can't even, you know, complete the look. So I'm just taking off a little. Just apply it and take it upwards. That's it, and we are done with the blush too. Just placing it on my high bone of the face and dragging it downward. Okay, so we are done with the highlighter too, and now I'm going to fix my eyes first. Like I'll be doing this eye makeup completely, and then we are stepping up to lips, and then it's all it. So for the eye, first I am going to take the liner again from one of my favorite products. This is Brows Definer. This is Duo, and here comes the liner. So I'm going to use this liner only. So I'm applying a pink on this outer edges. Doing my eyes, like I'll be putting my eyelash, and before that I'll just take a eyelash curler and I'll curl my eyelash. Okay, so for mascara, I'm having this mascara which is twisted, and it is actually a volumizing mascara. So I'll show you how it looks. So you just have to twist it, and you just have to apply it on your upper lashes. But I guess I can work in this format very well, and wiggle it upwards. Wow, I'm like quite happy as in my eyelash actually look a little volume. This is visible, like my eyelash actually look better than what it was before. So I'm thinking to go for a black kajal like on my waterline, so it will look like a pop bright eyes. So for that I'm using a jet black kajal, and that's how it looks. And that's smudge it, like while applying it I'll just smudge it because I don't want to use more. Now my eyes look way too pretty. Like this is actually a complete look. Now I'm going to use mascara on my lower lash, and then after I'm going to go off my camera and I'll fix my eyelash, and I'll come back with lipsticks. Wow, now I can see like this actually worked a lot good in my lower lash. Maybe my lower lash are quite bigger than my upper lashes. Looks great. Like wow, my eyes really look great, and I'm genuinely loving my makeup. Like I'm not wearing too much of makeup, and it looks amazing. Like wow, I feel like these products are quite worth it, and if you guys are looking to buy these products. Alright, so now what I'm thinking is like I'll be applying this lip liner which is from MyGlam itself, and this is in shade VSCO. So I'm just going to line my lips, and again I'm going to use that lip volumizer, and I don't want my lips to look bold because I'm loving my eyes. So I feel like let's keep my eyes more poppy, like more visible rather than my lips. So I'm going to keep my lips more subtle neutral. So for that I'm going to use just a lip liner, and I'm going to apply that lip volumizer again. I'm having the lip shades, but I'm having the lip shades in darker tones, so I'm not feeling like to apply the shades. So these are the few shades, and I'm having a purple shade, yellow shade, and a brown shade, but of course we are not going to apply those shades. This is giving more bold look to my lips, which I never thought of. Let's see, or else we'll just wipe it off if it didn't look that good. I'm not liking this thing with these eyes. That looks pretty neutral, like nude lips. So yes, with that I have achieved the complete look, and now it's just time to flaunt your makeup, because why not? You look absolutely gorgeous, bro. It looks great, like it doesn't look like kuch bhi kar diya ho ya something like that, but it looks great. This foundation looks great. It is not getting oxidized, which is good thing. And blush is one of my favorite. Another favorite is that brows definer. Then the next favorite have to be this palette, but only I felt like this color corrector have to be my favorite. And then after, I would recommend you the highlighter, which is the another favorite one. Like this, if you are a person, if you don't want to go with like more of a like a pop ball or like a disco ball, then you can definitely go with this shade. This is in shade Champagne. And yes, of course, I can't forget this product. This is like a brightening essence, which I already mentioned in my first, that please don't forget to buy this product, because this is the another favorite. Also, if you are a person, if you can, you know, if you can be on the pain of that injected feel, like the lip plump, so make sure you are getting this lip plump from the MyGlam, and I'll be mentioning all the product which I have used in my description, so that it will be easy for you to shop from them. And I'll put the link of the product as well, so you just have to click the link and voila, you are on that board. And also, if you guys are loving this look and if you would love to recreate this look, then please do recreate this look. And also mention somewhere on YouTube channel, if you are there on your YouTube channel, or if you are on an Instagram, then make sure you are tagging my handle, which is Arpita Burad. I'll mention somewhere on the screen, so I'll see how you guys have recreated this look using just MyGlam product. I want you guys to just stick with one particular brand rather than, you know, hunting with other product, because I have created this look with MyGlam product. So I need to know your thoughts, like how exactly you came up with this particular look by using those particular product from MyGlam. So yes guys, that's it for today. Make sure you are following me on Instagram, and also you are subscribing my channel, because I'm new to a YouTube channel. Like, not that new, but I'm not that, you know, constant on YouTube channel. So if you guys would love to see me again on YouTube channel, then make sure you are subscribing my channel. Make sure you are commenting like what exactly you love about this look and how you felt about this look and everything. If you really like this look, then make sure you recreate this look and tag me over Insta handle. I am really looking forward to your creativity. Just make sure you are using only MyGlam products while recreating this look, because that is one single task I would say I'm giving you. And yes guys, that's it for today. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.